All right, so a lot of you have seen that movie Cobra Kai. Right? Mr. Miyagi's emphasis is on wax on and wax off. They do outside circular block and then they go do the inside circular block, all right? And in Okinawan karate, there are schools who does a lot of the circular block, right? And one of them is Weichi Ryu, where they do a lot of circular block like that. Is it effective when it comes to fighting? In my humble opinion, I think if anything, it slows you down, right? If you have a different perspective on that, please comment below. Let me know what you think and why do you think so, because I'm going to detail why I come up with that conclusion. So I'm gonna have my student here and let's put this into real perspective fighting. How many times have you watched MMA, right? UFC fighting, where you see a guy who comes at you and he punches to the face and the other person does this, the circular block. I haven't seen it. I have fought in tournaments and stuff like that. I don't even see people using that. I myself would never use it because every time when it comes to you directly like this here, it's gonna be difficult to block, right? Why is that there are senseis who actually teach this kind of circular block in motion, right? I just said that it doesn't work in a real fight. So how can we use that, and why is that TV is making this kind of motion wax on wax off very popular, and also in other Okinawan styles that talk about that as well? To my opinion, I think it's because, let's say if he punches me here, if I am close in this position here, I can learn to turn and grab. Just like in Aikido, if I'm close to here, I can turn and grab and then do these blocks and stuff like that. But if he's coming at me here, I don't think I'm able to do that, right? Because now, let's take it up to another level, okay? If the opponent is gonna punch you, he's gonna not punch you one at a time. He's gonna punch you like at least 5 times. Give me 5, just charge at me, give me 5 quick punches. No, charge at me. Right? It's very hard, okay? If anything that I can do is this. If he's coming, punch, go ahead, charge, right? I'm gonna do like him, right? As he punches this way here, I'm gonna just go down this way, right? Instead of the circular, right? I'm gonna pull him down. Why? Is because when it comes so fast, my reaction is just try to block within the box. Okay? So that being said, what is more effective? Is it a linear block or is it a circular block? So my entire kata or my entire learning purpose of using Shorin Ryu is to understand using linear block versus circular block, right? So that being said is this. So when we practice Shorin Ryu, we do the chest block instead of from here and then right from the shoulder, and then we go this way here, which is also almost not a circular motion, but almost round, right? Almost round. In our style, we block from here, from right in the middle, we go straight this way, right, this way. Because every time when we bring here and we do this way here, it takes time. So let's say if Daniel, in Chikitai, horse stance like that, right? If he's gonna punch my chest this way here, right? If he's gonna, and then I do this, I do here, and I go bam, and then punch, I do this, bam, I'm gonna be late. And you can test this at your dojo. Every time he punches you like that here and you block this way, he's gonna be late, right? But if he punches and I go this way, see how I go this way at the same time with him? See that? I go out and block, out and block. This is linear. So I intercept him actually quicker, isn't it? Quicker, right? Versus this way here. This way, this way, this way. See, punch, I go linear, right? Now, let's talk about circular. So he punched circular. Every time when you do this motion here, you just add a split second. And let's face it, in reality, a split second is a big difference, isn't it, right? Split second it's as long as this here, not touching you, you're safe. But within that split second, once it touches you here, you're pretty much done, okay? You're gonna be knocked out cold, right? So that being said, try to see in your practice if you want to implement the linear block. So punch, linear block, meaning linear block, see how I come out, linear block versus circular in or circular out, circle it out, right? So let me know in the comment below which one makes you feel more confident if you are getting yourself involved in a fighting situation, right? Versus practicing. I know practicing, we always tend to put ourselves in this ideal situation where our partner is going to help us to make our move smooth. But you know what our partner is actually doing to us is making us less prepared if we were to fight in a real situation. Okay, because whatever you practice here, the circular motion where it looks good in the dojo does not translate well in a life and death situation. So I want you to think about that. Let me know what you think. Put your comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.